What's up guys, I'm Evangelia, and this is Lucky Penny. Step 1, Hydro Grip Primer. So thirsty. This primer is gonna give me a hydrated, dewy base. I like to take 1 to 2 pumps, massage into my fingers, and smooth over my skin. It's a hit of hydro. Step 2, Flex Foundation Stick. In, buff. It's a medium to full coverage foundation stick. It has marshmallow root extract in it, so it never creases and never cakes. For fuller coverage, I'm gonna swipe this baby directly onto the skin. Make moves with Flex. Step 3, Flex Concealer in Vanilla. I dot the Flex Concealer under my eyes to hide any darkness. Flex Foundation Stick and Flex Concealer, a match made in complexion heaven. Step 4, Matte Bronzer in Baked. I'm gonna take Baked and apply it anywhere the sun would naturally hit me. This gives me that bronzy glow with no sun damage. I'm trying to get baked. Step 5, Flex Highlighter in Blitzed and Glazed. This is a highlighter filled with pearls and gemstones that goes on super smooth. I'm gonna start by wetting the brush. These are really cool because you can use them wet or dry. And I'm just gonna swipe it. Flex highlighter goes on smooth without creasing or caking. Now I'm taking another Flex highlighter in the shade Blitzed, and I'm gonna take it on my cheekbones and up my nose. Flex on them. Step 6, KUSH Mascara. I like this mascara because it's voluminous, but it's not clumpy. It has cannabis seed extract, so it conditions and nourishes the eyelashes. Step 7, lip color in Deuces. Lip color's got shea butter, coconut oil, and grapeseed oil to boost hydration and soften lips. Creamy. I'm a lucky penny you're gonna see from a mile away. Alright guys, there you have it. My name's Evangelia, that was Lucky Penny, and I'll catch you on the flip. Cha-ching!